Megan here with WTI, and let me tell you why these miracle patches by Rael need to be part of your first aid beauty kit. These patches are made with hydrocolloid, so when I put them on my pimples, I found that they drew out the fluids faster, so my pimples didn't last as long. And boy, was I ever impressed with how invisible they look on my skin. A lot of the times, wearing it once for a good 8 hours really did the trick, but the occasional pesky pimple, I used 2 patches before I could fully draw out and reduce the pimple. These patches come in 2 different sizes and take advantage of the perforated sheet so that it's easier to pull the patch seamlessly off of the plastic to get onto your skin. I'm telling you, these should be lying around the same way bandages do for emergencies. You never know when you're going to wake up with a pesky pimple, and you definitely want to have these babies on hand for when you do. And that's my point of view.